Terry. He's from Slalom, and he's going to walk through his experience or Slalom's experience when using one of the ISV. Terry?
Yes, thanks, Arpit. So as I mentioned, I'm from Slalom. We do a lot of migrates, and this is our first venture into ESC. Our customer, so just to set a bit of context, is a healthcare ISV. So that sector, I think, got one of the lowest in the polls. But yeah, we're dealing with healthcare. We completed a map assess. Initially, we were targeting the Frankfurt region, and then some conversations came up around European sovereign cloud. And the customer saw this as a kind of strategic selling point to their own customers. You guys have probably all seen this scenario, but they're a company that have grown by acquisition. So they own lots of different data centers, and they're all run in a different way. So some they own, some they're managed by a third party. And obviously, the way you interact and the way you build tools in those are always slightly different. We've got some hard data center exit dates. We're kind of jumping between mobilize and migrate, depending on the date of certain data centers. And where are we at today? So we've currently built a landing zone. We use our kind of internal pre-built landing zone. There are obviously a couple of services still missing. We were quite lucky on day one that Identity Center came online. There's been a couple of others, but generally we've been able to build our landing zone as we would in any other region. Do you just want to jump to the next slide, please? Thanks. So how are we delivering with RiverMeadow? So RiverMeadow provide a project manager and a technical team to support you. You can choose how you engage with the customer and this team. RiverMeadow are happy to get involved and talk directly to your customer and help with the install. Because we're dealing with a small technical team with no AWS experience, we've decided on this occasion that we are front and center with the client, and then we go back and interact with the RiverMeadow teams when we need assistance. The onboarding is super easy. So they put a $0 marketplace offer into your AWS account or into the client's AWS account. And then it's a CloudFormation template that is spun up in the desired account, in the workload account, that spins up a VM from an AMI. And then you just have to open some ports on the customer side. And then we're going with an agent install. So it's just a small agent on each server that we're going to copy across.